everyone, welcome back to Alicia Unique Life. Today I'm going to be cooking a vegan pizza. So I'm going to show y'all all my ingredients. I have some sliced mushrooms. Come on, go on this side. I have some organic tomato basil pasta sauce. I have some bell peppers, orange, yellow, red bell peppers. Also, I have 4 different
type of cheese.
Cheese, yes.
Vegan cheese.
So I have cheddar shreds. Hold up, Kingston. I'm gonna let y'all get in the video when y'all get ready to make the pizza. I'm just showing them my ingredients. Also, I have some plant-based mozzarella. I have some vegan Mexican style blend. And I have some vegan creamy original. So these are all of my ingredients. I'm gonna make one pizza probably with just cheese on it, and the other one I'm gonna make with the bell peppers and the mushrooms. So I'm getting ready to slice the bell peppers up. The mushrooms are already sliced up. So I'll be back in a minute. Give me a minute. I have 2 cauliflower crusts. That's where we're gonna put the ingredients on: the sauce and the cheese and the bell peppers and the mushrooms. So I have 2 in the box. I actually purchased this from Whole Foods, and they also sell them at Walmart. Okay, Kingston's going to open the crust up for me and put it on this pan. Open both of the crusts up, and you're gonna put them on that pan for me. It's a hole right there. While I'll cut the bell peppers. I always cut.
Wow.
I need another knife. This ain't gonna work. Let me go get another knife.
Kill it.
No, don't do it.
No.
Come on. Stay. Oh yeah, you stay right there.
We have 20. Okay, what is it?
Put this over here. Okay, you're gonna put that right there. And the other one you're gonna put on this one. Leave it alone. So this is how the crust looks.
And make sure to subscribe to Alicia Unique Life.
You can recommend to get some 90s with these. Those 90s is ridiculous. I know y'all have been missing me. I have been gone for a week or so, but I've been trying to get my mind right so I can start this vegan lifestyle.
Yeah.
Eventually, I'm going to be transitioning to mainly plant-based food. But right now, I'm trying to take it one day at a time, and so far I have been doing good. So I'm celebrating today with a vegan pizza, and I'm trying to get everybody on the same page as me.
Put it right there. Good job.
It's a lot more expensive to do vegan, actually, because the food is higher, but it's more healthier for you. I did an orange and a red one, so I'm gonna do a yellow one. And that'll be it for the bell peppers.
I do one.
No, I need you to put it on the pizza when I get you cutting it out. This is nice.
Like me.
You're gonna help to put it on the pizza.
Okay. That's all.
There you go, the video. Okay, y'all, so I have the bell peppers cut up. I have yellow, red, and orange bell peppers. And I have my mushrooms right here.
Already sliced.
They're already sliced, but I'm going to give them a good rinse. So I'll be right back.
You okay? Mommy always did this. Mom, stop now. Mommy always did it. A day, Mom. I don't like how my teeth look. My tooth is bad.
Now I have my mushroom all rinsed.
And wasting on me.
Okay, so now we're going to make the pizza.
Can I do the tomato sauce?
Give me a spoon.
Yay, I give tomato sauce. Blame me.
You're going to have two. See, one. I need 1 spoon.
Yes, you can do it.
Okay, so I'm just going to pour some pizza sauce on here. Stop.
I want pizza pie with that pizza.
Okay. So Keisha gonna smooth it. Go get you a spoon so you can have two. Go get a spoon. Don't put it all the way to the edge. Put it close to the edge, but not all the way. You gonna smooth yours on there. Come on, smooth your sauce on your pizza.
Ooh, it's so cute.
Look, do it like this. Turn it this way. Move, Keisha. See? Lit. Yay. Hold up. Let me help you. We have to eat this.
So you gonna see what say so
Wait a
you
minute.
put some bad stuff.
Right, come on.
That's good.
Hold up.
I need bone.
Yeah, that's good. No, that's good because I don't like a lot of sauce on mine. Wait.
You make good.
It smells good? Okay. So give me y'all spoons.
You smell good.
Put your spoons right here.
Look, you like a tight.
Okay, the next step would be
Peppers.
the cheese. We're going to do the cheese.
That's
Hold
cheese.
up. First, we're going to put the mozzarella on there.
Yeah. Can I do the mozzarella?
Wait.
Yeah.
We're going to put some mozzarella on there.
Yeah.
Like this. Put some on your pizza. Come on. Put it on there. Put it on there.
Spread it around.
Spread it around. Okay, Keisha gonna put some on his as well.
Yeah.
Gonna put some on there. Mozzarella. Okay, now we're gonna put some more cheese on there. What type that is? That's
Is it cheddar cheese? What was that vegan?
we're gonna do the Mexican style blend. We're not gonna do that one. You gotta wait.
This smells good though. You already know. Put cheese in the house.
Okay, you're gonna put some of that on there. Put some on yours, come on. Put it on there. And this piece, we're gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes. It's because it's not gonna take long for it to cook. Oh, that's enough. Hold up. Okay, so we need, you're gonna put a little bit there on it. What that is? That's the cream original or that's the cheddar cheese?
Cheddar shreds.
Okay, put some cheddar shreds on there.
Like me.
You're gonna put some creamy original right here. Put it right here.
I'm doing one piece, y'all.
Put it right here. Make sure you cover the sauce up. Right here, come on. You putting it only in the middle. Put it around the edges too. Right there. Okay, that's enough for that one. Kingston, yours gonna be on the cheese.
This is my own.
That's enough. Come on. Okay, now we're gonna put the bell peppers on there.
Peppers?
No, that's gonna be cheese. You gotta put it like this. Hold up.
Yeah, no me.
You gotta spread it around. So we're gonna put mushrooms on here too. And then we're gonna add some mushrooms.
I like mushrooms.
I love mushrooms, so you must be just gonna eat that piece of it. Because I like mushrooms.
Mushrooms taste like pig feet.
No, okay.
It tastes like.
Hold up, come on. Wait.
You add more
I
cheese.
love mushrooms.
I love cheese. And I taste
Okay, hold up. You're going too fast. Slow down. You need to slow down.
That's no
Okay,
cheese.
so this how this pizza looks with the mushrooms, the bell peppers, and the 4 cheese. And
This how this pizza
with the
like.
cheese.
And I have to add some more cheese. I love cheese. Like, come around.
Come on. Talk to it. Sit down. They already saw that. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little more mozzarella to the top of it. And I'm gonna put it in the oven and let it cook for 15 minutes. And I will show y'all the ending results of our vegan pizza Kingston and Kamal helped me make.
And I'm still adding
And
cheese.
Kamal is still adding cheese to this pizza, y'all.
Same.
So hopefully it come out right. That's enough cheese, Kamal. You add too much cheese. Okay, so we'll be back in a minute, y'all.
Bye. Bye.
All right, y'all, I am back, and I just took the pizza out the
What
oven.
cheese you say?
It's still in there.
Shut up.
Excuse my dog, y'all. But I just want to cut a piece so y'all can see. This is mushroom,
Shut up,
bell pepper.
I typed it.
Hold up. Okay. Oh, and it's still hot. So this how it look, y'all. This how it came out. Ooh, it's hot. So now I'm gonna give it a taste. It's delicious. They don't like mushrooms. But I love mushrooms. And you can see around the edges, it's crispy. You haven't even tasted it. It's nasty. But I'm getting ready to end this video because my dog is making a lot of noise.
So crazy.
But this is a quick, nutritious vegan meal that you can cook for your kids one day. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Bye, and make sure to subscribe.